This video about analysis and modeling of high impedance fault with statcom and wind turbine system. Here we implemented the high impedance fault in three-phase system along with DStatCom and wind turbine. At each and every stage we can see that high impedance fault occurred and cleared in the result. So that high impedance has taken at 0.5 seconds to 0.15 seconds. So this is the high impedance fault detection signal response, and this is statcom which is connected with the three-phase system. At the end of the system we used wind turbine which is 1.5 megawatt rated wind turbine we have used in this simulation. So here we can check that high impedance fault at signal response. So this is from grid voltage and grid current. So this is the time that this is the duration for high impedance fault, and this is the statcom current and statcom reference current parameters. And we have measured that PQ from grid voltage and grid current. And this is the bus 1 voltage and bus 1 current. And this is the load bus magnitude and phase. This is voltage, load voltage, and this one is load current. So here we can check that wind turbine signal response.